What's the meaning of assemble? Assemble. Assemble.
Assemble. Assemble. Assemble means to bring together different parts or components to form a single entity or whole. The end result of assembling can range from a physical object, such as a piece of furniture or a machine, to a conceptual entity like a team or a plan. The process of assembling usually involves fitting and connecting the different parts in a specific way to ensure proper functioning of the final product. Assembling requires attention to detail, precision, and patience to achieve the desired outcome.